Hi friends, good morning all of you. This is Yatish Kumar. Welcome to Zoology Online Guru. Today in this session we are going to discuss about genetics, ABO blood group system. Genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is a branch of biology. It deals with the heredity and variations in the living organisms. Heredity. What is meaning of heredity? Heredity means the transfer of traits, characters from one generation to the next. And here another concept is there, that is called inheritance. Inheritance is the transfer of characters from parents to progeny. Parents to progeny. That means genetics deals with hereditary or hereditary variations and inheritance. Genetics also deals with genes. And the word genetics first time coined by Bateson. So genetics name coined by Bateson. Father of genetics, Gregor Johnson Mendel. Mendel considered as the father of genetics. And modern father of genetics, T.H. Morgan, Thomas Hunt Morgan. Mendel did his experiments on the plant Pisum sativum, the garden pea plant, and T.H. Morgan did his experiments on Drosophila melanogaster, a fruit fly. Every living organism made up of cells, maybe plant cell or animal cell or microorganisms, whatever it may be, every living organism made up of cells. Suppose this is a cell with a nucleus cell, and inside the nucleus, suppose removing the nucleus, and this is the nucleus, suppose nucleus. Nucleus in the animals is with DNA, it is called chromosomes. So within the nucleus there are chromosomes. What are chromosomes? DNA with histone proteins are called chromosomes. So every chromosome contains DNA and histone proteins. And especially coming to the DNA now, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, the nucleic acid present in the nucleus, DNA. Some of the RNA viruses may contain the nucleic acid as RNA, and most of the animals they maintain DNA as genetic material. Who discovered that DNA is the genetic material? MacLeod, McCarthy and Avery. They proved that DNA is the genetic material. Before to these three scientists, Frederick Griffith also conducted experiments on transformation. And lastly, MacLeod, McCarthy and Avery proved that DNA is the genetic material. So, the genetic material DNA is a double-stranded. It is double-stranded. One strand came from the maternal side, mother, and another strand came from the father side. Already you know very well that every living organism, especially animals, came from a single cell, that is zygote. That is zygote. What is zygote? Ova and sperm collectively forms a cell, that is called zygote. The zygote chromosomes, the zygote DNA distributes to the total body of the living organism. Now, every DNA is made up of nucleotides. DNA made up of nucleotides. And the portion of DNA which can synthesize a mRNA, and in turn in the cytoplasm by translation it can synthesize a protein that is called a gene. So the portion of the DNA which can synthesize an mRNA and a protein molecule, that is called a gene. Who proposed the name Gene? Johansen. Johansen proposed the term gene. The new terminology for the gene is cistron. Cistron is the new term to the gene. Cistron word proposed by Seymour Benger. Seymour Benger proposed the term cistron. Means now cistron means the portion of DNA which can synthesize an mRNA by transcription, and upon translation it can synthesize a polypeptide chain, nothing but a protein molecule. So already you know very well about the one gene, one character, one gene, one trait, and one gene, one protein, one gene, one polypeptide chain concepts. So one gene, one enzyme, one gene, one trait, and lastly one gene can produce a polypeptide chain. So these are the concepts. So whatever it may be, one gene means a gene is a portion of DNA synthesized an mRNA by transcription, and upon translation it can synthesize a polypeptide chain, that is called a cistron or a gene. ABO blood group system. Blood groups are the antigens present on the RBC. The part of DNA which can synthesize an mRNA and a protein, that is called a gene. Every gene maintains one pair of alleles. Alleles are a pair of contrasting characters containing forms or versions present on the gene. ABO blood groups comes under the multiple allele system in the genetics. And now we will discuss about what are these multiple alleles and how the blood groups are transferred from the parents to the offsprings. On the chromosome number 9, blood groups, genes and alleles are present. In the genetics, there are two expressions. One is phenotypic expression and genotypic expression. The external visible characters of an individual are called phenotypic characters. And coming to the second expression, genotype. Genotype is the internal genetical expression. If there are more than one pair of alleles on a single gene, that is known as multiple allele system. For this system, best example is the human blood group system. Human blood groups are four types: blood group A, B, AB and O. That means there are four types of blood groups are present in the human beings in the population, but a single individual can maintain only one type of blood group. Suppose it is a blood group gene. On the gene, one pair of allele, second pair of allele and third pair of allele. So three alleles are present. Three alleles are present on the blood group gene. The blood group gene is known as isoagglutinogen. Isoagglutinogen is the gene name, so it is indicated by capital I gene. So I gene on the chromosome 9 is responsible for the blood groups. On the I gene there are three pairs of alleles are present: allele A, allele B and allele O. For the easy understanding is A, B, O. Actually A means, that is, look here, this is the IA, second one IB and third one IO. So these are the alleles, contrasting character containing alleles are present on the chromosome 9 gene I. And there are 1, 2, 3. So alleles are 3. If you know the allele number, it is very easy to confirm. It is very easy to know the genotypic expressions. There is an equation about n into n plus 1 by 2 is the simple formula to know about the number of genotypic expressions. N is equal to here number of alleles. Already you know here n is equal to 3. Now look here, 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that means 3 into 4 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos means 6. So in the blood group system, in the multiple allelic system, in the human beings, every human being maintains this type of 3 types of alleles on the gene I. There are 6 genotypic expressions from the 3 alleles. What are those 6 genotypic expressions? Look here. IA and IA, the I gene with allele A and I gene with allele A from the parents and also that means mother and father, and this condition can produce blood group A. Before going to this 6 genotypic expressions, before we have to know about, and here I gene with A allele is equal dominant power with I gene with B allele, and these 2 genes are always greater than I gene with O allele. Means A and B are the co-dominant, whereas IO is the recessive allele. So IO is the recessive allele for both A and B. That means IA always greater than IO, and also IB also always greater than IO. Coming to here, IA and IA produce blood group A, and here IA and IO also produce a blood group A only, because in this section here IA or IB both are greater dominant power to the IO. So if it is only one A is enough, one A is enough to produce the blood group A. Look here, another one, IB, IO produce the blood group B, and IB also produce blood group B. Like that, if there is a gene with A allele from the mother and another gene I from the father with B allele, it can produce blood group AB, because AB are the co-dominance power. They can combinedly come into the offspring's blood as a AB blood group. Now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are completed. Now last one. If the gene I with O allele from the mother and the I gene with another O from the father, means mother and father both are with O blood group, then their children compulsorily they are with O blood group only. So these are the 6 genotypic expressions from 3 alleles, IA, IB and IO. Blood group A person, RBC in the blood, on the membrane of RBC there is a type of antigen is present. Like that, if a B blood group person, the RBC there is a B type of protein or antigen. And if the RBC with the A and B type of antigens, that blood group is called AB blood group. And lastly, the RBC without antigens A or B are not present on the RBC, that type of blood group is called O blood group. And the serum of the blood group A person maintains antibodies of B type or B blood group. And B blood group person's serum they maintain or contains antibodies of A type, whereas in the AB blood group persons they are both antigens are present, that is why antibodies are absent in the serum of this AB blood group person. And lastly, there is no antigens on the blood group O person. The serum maintains antibody A and also antibody B. Means both the antibodies are present in the blood group O person. And to whom they donate the blood? Donation. A blood group persons can donate the blood to the definitely to the A, and also they can donate a blood group AB also. So A can donate the blood to A and also AB. Like that, B blood group persons can donate the blood definitely to B and also AB. And AB can donate only to the AB persons, and O can donate blood to the A, B, AB and also O, means all the blood groups. So O blood group is called universal donor blood group. Universal donor. And can receive from A blood group persons receive blood from A and also O. They can receive from the O also, because A can donate to all. That's why B also can receive the blood from the B blood group and also O blood group. And AB can receive the blood from the A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and also O. Means AB blood group can receive blood from any blood group. That is why AB blood group is called universal recipient blood group. And lastly, coming to the O blood group persons can receive the blood from the only O blood group persons. Only O. So here O is called universal donor and AB is called universal recipient blood groups. And coming to why O blood group persons are called universal donors. In the immunology, antigen-antibody reactions are present. So the reaction always between an antigen and also antibody. In the blood transfusion, the reaction between the donor's antigen and recipient's serum is called antibodies. See, look here. In the blood transfusion, the reaction between donors antigens with recipient's antibodies, also called serum or plasma. So this is the concept why the O blood group are called universal donors. Means look here, if O blood group, come here, if O blood group can donate the blood to A, what happens? So donating means donors antigens. So antigens are absent on the RBC or membrane of the RBC. So donors antigens only react with the recipient's serum. So antigens are absent on the RBC. That is why O blood group persons are called universal donors. Coming to the recipients, AB blood group is called universal recipient. Why? Recipient's serum or antibodies only reacts with the donor's antigen. Look here, are there any antibodies in the recipient AB? No. So the serum of the AB blood group persons, there is no antibodies. Without antibodies, and who can donate? Everybody can donate the blood to the AB because there is no antibodies in the recipient's AB blood group. That's why AB blood group is called as universal recipient blood group.
Okay friends, we are stopping here.
Thanks for watching. Like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel Zoology Online Guru. Thank you. Thanks for watching.